Hi everyone! So today I would like to talk about one of the famous topic in autism spectrum disorder, which is echolalia. So what is echolalia? So echolalia can be defined as contextually inappropriate repetition of part or all of previously spoken utterance. So there are two types of echolalia, and the first one is immediate echolalia, and this type demonstrated by the utterances that are produced immediately after they are heard. And the next one is delayed echolalia, and this type is demonstrated by the utterances that are produced at a later time and out of social context. Moving on to the disadvantages of echolalia. Number 1, it interferes with educational programming. Number 2, it attracts others' attention, and lastly, it leads to social stigmatizing. Next is the advantages of echolalia as a communicative function. There are two types of communicative function, and the first one is interactive and the second one is non-interactive. So for the interactive immediate echolalia, the utterances is used as thin fillers in an alternating verbal exchange. It also used to label objects, location, or actions, and also it is used to indicate affirmation, and lastly it also used to request objects or others' action. The utterances usually used in the high state of arousal, such as in pain or fear, and it also used as a processing aid followed by the action indicating the comprehension of the echoed utterance. Lastly, it's also used to regulate one's own action. Meanwhile, for the interactive delayed echolalia, it is used to request objects, prohibit actions of others, to direct action of others, maintain interaction, and also to call attention to self. Meanwhile, for the non-interactive delayed echolalia, it is used for play, calming down, self-stimulation, and self-regulation. Moving on to the treatment for echolalia. So the first one is speech therapy, and the second one is applied behavior analytic interventions, and lastly is pharmacotherapy. So this is usually being prescribed to older children where their echolalia is triggered by anxiety or stress.